This video, we're going to be talking about how to use TEMU first order discount 90% off. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, what you need to do is simply go ahead and download the TEMU application and create a new account to qualify for new user promotions. Then you need to search for current TEMU first order coupon codes, so that is commonly up to 90%, and all you need to do is on the search bar you need to simply go ahead and enter your coupon code number. So it could be anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and add one right here. So just like that, this could be a coupon code that is So once you simply go ahead and enter your coupon code on the search bar, it's going to take you to the place where you can get for 90% off and so on. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to